This is about my RX100 Mark IV and me basically wanting to find a good way to transport it, which I did find in my old Paul Smith Rafa jacket. Now the jacket I bought, I definitely bought it more than a decade ago, but it was developing a hole in the rear pocket that I didn't see because it's within the jacket itself. So the next time I put my camera in there, it fell out the other side and it hit the ground on its face. So it won't turn on, and the focus ring is very difficult to turn in parts. Apart from that, physically it looks fine. It just won't turn on, and the focus ring is knackered. So that's off to the repairs and see if they can fix that. So what you're seeing now is the last shots I did with my RX100 Mark IV before its head butted the floor. And the thing about this is when it did fall and it got broken, I did think, oh shit, I need to buy another one. And that's what I thought. I didn't think I needed to buy the latest mobile phone with camera, because I thought if I dropped the latest mobile phone with camera on the ground, and yeah, the phone's gone, but also your communication device is gone, and who knows what else you've got on your phone. For most people, they have their lives on their phones these days, so it doesn't seem a good idea to have the phone and the camera in the same place. Maybe for casual pictures, then yes, but I don't think I want the two so connected. And I did think that I need to buy another compact camera. It doesn't have to be a Sony, but in this case it will be. But I will look at others. But it's going to be a compact camera. If it's not the RX100 Mark IV, it's definitely going to be the RX100 Mark V-A. I'm not interested in the 6 or the 7. I don't see those as being for me, not at the moment. So now my replacement camera is going to be my phone if need be, but I also have my old Sony NEX5, which we now will have to take out of retirement and use. That's going to be pretty interesting. You know what really bums me out is, like, as soon as I start using the RX100 more and more, that's when this happens. That's when it kaputs on me. Ain't that like how life goes sometimes?